Hey folks, how about another winter decorate with me? Somebody said they were ready for us to do the fireplace in the kitchen. Right here on my take on home and garden. It's gonna be fun. Now folks, hopefully you've started your winter decorating to lift you out of them post-Christmas humdrums. We're here to help. Check it out, it's gonna be good. I'd like to take you now and show you what I wanna use in the music area in the kitchen today. Okay guys, let's look at what we're gonna do for the decorating today. We are going to continue on with our gold and white that we did in the dining room. So I've pulled out everything we could possibly use to decorate the two areas with our gold and white. Here's a serving platter in that anniversary set. A wonderful terrain, a golden tree, and a couple of vases in the gold and white, and a couple of wonderful covered dishes by Westmoreland. We've got Moses, and for that tropical feel, we've got our gold and white parrot. Also, for the tropical, we have an awesome Phalaenopsis orchid. We've got a white porcelain vase. I'll use these golden pears again, and we'll use it in that Indiana glass, milk glass basket with the festoon. Large serving platter in off-white by Lenox USA with gold trim. Kind of a modern trivet, and two fabulous Lenox USA plates with fruit. We've got a pair of Westmoreland candlesticks in the panel grape style. A more modern server in a golden, probably a philodendron leaf, and a pair of hammered metal plates. A fabulous Art Deco vase. Now we've taken away our red holders and vases, crockery, and canisters, so we've got to replace them with something that's going to match our decor. Here is our suite arrangement that you saw last week. I'll be putting these chargers back on the table, and here's some wonderful little pieces to go on our collection shelves. Angels, and gold, salt and pepper, little Westmoreland sets, and others. Couple of little mini baskets. Always got to have some characters and birds, and this incredible baby's cup in white and gold porcelain handed down to me that was my grandfather's. It's still here, kept safe. Okay, we have a couple candy dishes left because they're crystal for winter. Fabulous diamond point glass. We'll use them as well while we're finishing up the goodies inside. Now we've got some glass mugs, couple of votives. We're going to use our same tray while we're finishing up the holiday goodies. I've pulled out just a whisper of things to make up in this vase. And then of course we have assorted plate stands. Now we might even enjoy a little spritzer after the video in our Scottish Highland lowball glasses, since we got to go to our favorite Scottish Highland games this last weekend. And if you're interested in that at all, you can see a video on another year that we went there, and it's just a lot of fun. Okay guys, I thought I'd start at the fireplace. You remember our arrangement we did. I've got a little sprig of cypress, and we'll get these candles on. Little sprig of pine and pine cones in there. And the battery operated LED candles we can link in our description box. They are on a timer in case you forget to turn them off. So love that. What else do I want to do here on the fireplace? How about our wonderful milk glass by Westmoreland in kind of an urn, maybe just to the outside of the mirror there. I'm liking this, and I think it can just about carry itself, but I thought I'm gonna throw a ringer in here and counterweight the fact that the greens is swagged over on the left, and I'm gonna counter that with the parrot, because he's a gorgeous gold and white. And there's our centerpiece, and I think very rarely a lesser mantelpiece for winter. It was nice and heavy for Christmas, just right. We'll get the serving plate back here like I like, and we'll make up this little arrangement that anybody could do. A sprig of pine, a sprig of gold leaf, and two little picks. We got a frozen snowflake, berries, and a bell with a little pine cone on there. Just a suggestion of winter. We have our crystal votives with a LED candle. We'll get them on. In our clear mugs and Christmassy tray with all the goodies. Okay, for our centerpiece on the table, we're going to go with this Phalaenopsis orchid in the Italian gold trimmed crystal vase. Just delicate with hopes of spring, and we've got our rock glasses in standby. What else do we want to go with that? Probably this sweet little pair of candles. You collectors and decorators know this is one of the most fun parts of decorating and moving your collections around. That's having a display area, a shelf or a cabinet to use to put your things out. So let's take a look here. Cream and sugar, couple of baskets. I'll put the weighted, probably the heaviest pieces low, like I always talk about. And we'll want to mix that up. Got quite a few shelves to work. This cruet, we'll have to take the top off to use it. And not a big deal. We can lay that right next to it. And it'll look just as sweet as can be. Here's the porcelain with gold trim. And another to stagger back and forth like we do. You know I want to use a platter here and cover up that switch and that outlet like I always do. Oh boy, look at the difference, right? Then our candy dishes, and then our arrangement, not too oversized or overdone, and just off center of our shelves so we can see, get a better picture of what's going on here. I think the tree be fantastic. Just here, the cabbage soup tureen. See that go in the corner because it's big and it's out of the way. Then we got another plug to hide. It's the way I think about it. And we have our large trivet. We're using our milk pitcher to put all our wooden utensils in. So that's pretty sweet right there. Also, the golden pears went in our Indiana glass bowl right there. Now, I can't get over it. There might be a couple of little ads, and then I'm going to have to take it out and show you all around. Okay folks, we'll start where we left off in the last video. Bringing out the silver, clean them and give them a buff. Putting things together, grouping them, and readying for the next season. Got our milk glass put back for the most part, and we've used it around the house. And with the statue on the serving table, we can still get teacups and saucers on there, no problem. Hot cocoa, everything we need for winter. Well, folks, now hopefully you liked and enjoyed our decorate the kitchen and the music area for winter. Get some ideas, get your chi on, get your smiley face on, and have some fun. Take care, be good, and we are going to see you in the next amazing, over-the-top, incredible decorator winter video. Have fun. See you soon. I think we're going to see you coming up soon. We got a big, beautiful table to do, and we're going to decorate the living room.